How to get $100 Temu coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Temu coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Mirror Discounts. With that, you're going to get tons of offers. You can see that $100 coupon code, likewise 30% off, 15% off, $100 off on the first purchase, and many more. If you're interested in any of the offer, to grab it, click on this option of Get Code. So here's the coupon code. I have selected $100 Temu promo code. Now I can copy this code, head towards the website of Temu, log into your account, make your purchase, and apply this code and get the $100 off. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Activate this offer at Temu. Now log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, this code will be automatically applied and you will get $100 off. You can also try out these offers. Likewise, make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of coupon codes for Temu. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Temu coupon codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.